Hello ladies, this is Maria Palmieri from Salsa Ladies Styling, and I want to tell you guys about this Salsa Ladies Styling Intensive that we are going to do on May 19th, but it's going to be the online version. So, for many years we've been running the Salsa Ladies Styling Intensive here in New York City with top instructors, and we decided to take it online so that we can teach more people from all over the world. All you're going to need is a device with internet so you can watch it from anywhere in the world. That's right, it's going to be 4 hours of intense training with myself, Karel Flores, Melissa Rosado, and Melany Mercedes. So not only you'll be able to watch it from anywhere in the world, but it will be live online. So you will be able to interact and ask questions. Also, maybe you can't make it that day, you still will have 48-hour access to the live webinar workshop online. Cool? We're going to start at 12 p.m. and if you want more information on full schedule, pricing, how to reserve your space, just click the button below and we will send it to your inbox. Okay? We can't wait to see you on May 19th. Join us for a Salsa Ladies Styling Intense workshop. See you there.